because I'm just so happy to come back and share my experience. These are the corridors that I walked. So there's my 10th, 12th, 10th, 8th. Okay, Teresa teacher was our class teacher. Which is, it makes me so happy to come back here and tell you how lucky people are. You know, because I have spent 12 years of my life in the doctor. But what kind? What we call a responsible doctor. Because in today's world, that is what is required. Yes? We need good people to make a better world, isn't it? And okay, I had to take a decision in my life. It was either career, okay, family for me, or there was a divine calling. I had to take a decision and get into the service. In that time, I came back to my school. This school helps me make the biggest decision of my life. And I can't tell you how happy I am being what I am today. I am working in Global Hospital, Rajasthan, Mount Abu, as a service in Ravana.
Shanti and hello to everyone. My name is BK Varsha and currently I am working at the Global Hospital, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. It's a charitable hospital of the Brahma Kumaris, and I'm also a proud Josephite. I'm a past student, and today I come back to the school because I want to share a few things with all of you. So I want to thank Reverend Father Silva Reddy sir and sir, your good name, Father Prashant, all my teachers and all the lovely little angels and all the parents of these lovely little angels. So all I want to say is that in my life, at some point when I was stuck and I had to choose between my career and a higher calling, a purposeful living, a service, I came back to this place. This place gave me the strength and the clarity that was required. And the love, the care, the morals that these people have instilled in us, that help us, like, no matter where we go, that helps us to be on the right path and to make the right decisions. So, watching these people, all the fathers, I was a kid and I still see some of the people serving here. So that is inspiring. And all the fathers who taught us the morals, so those morals, right? In this world today, where we have all sorts of people, we have skilled people, we have educated people, we have people who are making lots of money. But this place gives us something that makes this world a better place. It teaches us the values. It gives us the courage that is required to do the right thing. So all the people today, you all are learning here in this school. You will grow up, you will go out and become great personalities. Say somebody can become a doctor, an engineer, somebody a prime minister. You all will do well in your lives. But it is important to ask ourselves that what kind of doctor do I want to become? I just don't want to become a doctor or an engineer. I want to become a responsible doctor, an honest, a sincere professional. So that is what we learn from here. That is what is bestowed since the childhood. So I just wanted to come back to this place and show my gratitude to all these people who have surrendered themselves to this service. That was inspiring for me to make my decision. And I can tell you this was the best decision I have taken in my life, and I'm the happiest person. So I had written a poem for all of you, that this is where I saw him first at my school. This is where I first felt his presence, like rising sunlight through a hidden scene, where every brick whispered God into my growing dream, and corridors curled around me like rivers carrying a child downstream. Classrooms opened orchards where wisdom ripe ripened slow and sweet. Floors hummed like ancient earth beneath my wandering feet. And the walls stood like guardians who never let fear compete. All our fathers were mountains teaching how to love, protect in quiet, unmoving ways. All our teachers were lanterns glowing softly through my learning days. All the students and my mates were one family through countless plays. 12 years, from nursery to 10th, drifted gently like clouds in sky without any sting. A place where safety wrapped around me like a feathered wing. A child who learned how to bloom, how to rise, and how to sing. This school, St. Joseph's, is my yesterday, the soil where my roots still stay. The reason I walk strong today and to come what may. For everything I am began in its sacred golden clay. Lucky are you little angels, held with love, guided towards the light. For here every child grows safely with values woven warm and bright. Our friend, our hope, our love, our God, our guide, our Lord. Watches us blessing each soul, every step and every sight. So all I want to say is again that you people are very lucky to be a part of this family. I am a very proud Josephite because this place is the place where I first felt God, and today I'm connected to Him, and I am lucky enough to be in His service. And all the inspiration and the strength that I needed, I got it from this place. So you people are really lucky to be a part of this family. And so let's all be really grateful and thankful to the school. Thank you so much.